Today in this video we're going to look at the best mandolin food slicers on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Fullstar Mandolin Slicer. Elevate your kitchen experience with the ultimate in functionality and convenience. This versatile slicer features 6 interchangeable blades, making it ideal for all your slicing and grating needs, while the built-in spiralizers add a fun twist to your meals with zoodles, veggie pasta, and beautiful garnishes. Designed with compact practicality in mind, this mandolin slicer disassembles easily, allowing for quick storage and effortless cleanup. It's dishwasher safe and even comes with a specialized cleaning tool to ensure no food residue gets left behind, saving you precious time. Safety is a top priority, so a finger guard and protective glove are included to keep your fingers safe from the razor-sharp stainless steel blades. Crafted from non-toxic, BPA-free ABS plastic, it's not only safe for you but also durable for long-lasting use. Say goodbye to mess and slips in the kitchen with the convenient catch tray, making meal prep tidier than ever. Its non-slip base ensures stability, making slicing and grating even easier. Whether you're new to cooking or a seasoned chef, this kitchen essential is versatile, user-friendly, and backed by a satisfaction guarantee. Be sure to review the instruction manual for best practices before use and get ready to transform your culinary creations. Safe Mandolin Slicer. Experience effortless slicing with a kitchen tool designed for safety and precision. The innovative design ensures your hands are never near the built-in blades, making it the safest choice for expert slicing. With over 30 slicing options, this mandolin offers the versatility to create perfectly even slices ranging from 1/8 mm in thickness, along with julienne, matchstick, and dicing options to meet all your culinary needs. Its compact design folds down for easy storage, making it a convenient addition to any kitchen. Cleanup is also a breeze, thanks to the included brush that eliminates blade buildup and the food catch container that keeps your countertops clean and free of clutter. Thoughtfully sized to take up minimal counter or cupboard space, this mandolin slicer makes a great gift for weddings, housewarmings, or any cooking enthusiast. Designed in New York City, this slicer also comes with US-based customer support, ensuring any concerns or questions are quickly addressed. Its sleek design and practical features make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their meal prep efficiency while keeping safety in mind. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Simplify your meal prep with a versatile kitchen tool that combines value and quality in one. This efficient slicer and cheese grater includes 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades, a cleaning brush, a finger guard, and a 1.2L container, making it easy to prep meals safely and efficiently. Perfect for those looking to eat healthier without spending too much time in the kitchen. The sharp, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades ensure you can quickly dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with crisp precision. Built to last, this chopper features extra durable ABS plastic, ensuring it won't crack or break, no matter how much you use it. Additionally, all materials are BPA-free, offering peace of mind when it comes to safety. Cleanup is just as easy as meal prep. This kitchen essential is dishwasher safe and designed to be cleaned quickly and effortlessly, with a specialized cleaning brush included to remove any food residue from the blades. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, this multi-purpose tool simplifies slicing, dicing, chopping, and even spiralizing, saving you time and effort. Compact yet capable, it's designed to make healthy eating more accessible and enjoyable. Be sure to follow the included instruction manual for proper use and maintenance, and experience a new level of convenience in your daily cooking routine. MuellerLiving Mandolin Slicer. Streamline your meal prep with a slicer that guarantees even cuts every time. This adjustable kitchen tool is designed to make slicing fruits and vegetables fast and hassle-free, far easier than using a knife. Equipped with 5 interchangeable blades, it provides the versatility to chop, slice, shred, or grate ingredients like onions, cucumbers, sweet potatoes, apples, and even cheese. Whether you're creating thin slices or julienne strips, this slicer is built for precision. The included safety food pusher ensures secure and safe slicing, allowing you to move your ingredients over the blades without worrying about your fingers. Just hold the handle and guide the food for a smooth, seamless process. Compact and efficient, this slim slicer replaces bulky food processors, offering two prep options: unfold the legs to slice onto a cutting board, or fold them to slice directly into a bowl or plate for minimal cleanup. Adjusting the slice thickness is easy with a twist of the knob dial, offering a range from 1 to 9 mm, while the julienne size can be set between 6 mm and 9 mm for perfect results. Designed with convenience in mind, it's top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and effortless. Perfect for home cooks of all skill levels, this versatile slicer is a must-have tool in any kitchen, offering speed, precision, and safety with every use. OXO Good Grips Mandoline Slicer. Achieve perfect, even slices with a versatile slicer that offers convenience and precision. Whether you're preparing cucumber salad, an apple tart, or a potato gratin, this adjustable kitchen tool allows you to customize the thickness of your slices with just a simple twist of the soft knob. It provides 3 thickness settings, ensuring you get the exact slice you need for any dish. The stainless steel blade glides effortlessly through fruits and vegetables, delivering consistent results every time. A clear surface below the blade allows you to see the slices as they accumulate, giving you full control over your prep. Designed for versatility, you can slice directly onto a plate, cutting board, or hook it over a bowl for minimal mess. The non-slip handle, knob, and foot ensure stability and control while slicing, making the process safe and easy. When you're done, the food holder not only protects your hands during use but also serves as a blade cover for safe storage. Cleanup is a breeze as the slicer is dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Ideal for both novice cooks and kitchen pros, this tool combines practicality with performance, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. Whether you're slicing for a quick snack or preparing a gourmet meal, it simplifies the process, ensuring consistent results every time.